All right, let's see what we got here. Ha 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 ha! And they say I lost my marbles. Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. So I was at a estate sale yesterday, and I've collected marbles for years, so let's see what we got. All right, right here off the top. Let's see, this isn't so easy. Looks like what is that, a Superman color? No, no yellow in it. Spider-Man. Anyhow, good colored marble, so we'll put him aside. What's this one here? That looks like a Pelt. Pelts often get these little, if I find it again, that little fly speck in it there. That's a flaw that Pelts often had. Little air bubble in them. But it's got good color. So let's see what else we got. Uh-oh, what's that? Looks like another Pelt. Maybe it's not. No, it still looks Peltish to me. So we'll sit here and we'll pick through these marbles. Let's see if we find anything good. There's a cool colored one. Not sure who makes this in that first one I found. These are obviously the same company. Not familiar. There's a nice West Virginia swirl of some sort. Oh, that's a good looking marble. Whoa. That's got a bad chunker out of it. That was a good marble. We ain't picking that one out. Oh, there's another good looking marble. That looks like another Pelt. So you buy these marbles. The hardest thing I ever had to learn was marbles. That looks Akro-ish to me. Because all they are is, this here's almost a wire pull looking marble. Obviously a West Virginia swirl of some sort. So I've learned enough to go through. This is another Pelt, it looks like. I've learned enough to go through and find them. I like the colors on that. Not sure what that is at all. Not sure what that one is at all. Learned enough to go through and find some stuff. There's a cool looking marble. Oh, wow. I know what that is. That's an Akro agate snake of some sort. Look at that. Green base, white and yellow swirl. That's an Akro agate corkscrew. Akro agate was the only company that could make a marble. Had a patent on it, maybe, or the only ones that knew how to make a marble that started on one end, twisted around, never crossed the other side, and end on the other pole of the marble. So that there is definitely a good marble. So that looks sort of like the first two we had. So there's another Pelt looking marble. These are great marbles. I always like Pelts. So anyhow, I went to a... Oh, there's kind of interesting. Went to an estate sale yesterday, and they had a little flames on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flames in a row on that one. Looks Peltish again. There's another Akro. Blue base, white snake. Starts on one end, ends on the other. Went to a estate sale yesterday, and they had this tin full of marbles. It's got other stuff in it too. It's got dice, old dice, and a bunch of jacks. What is this? Not sure what that is. Just a piece of plastic, but random things get stuck in batches of marbles. There's another Akro. So, well, that's definitely the time of the season for that marble. Green and red. Sure is a Christmas looking marble. So, nicer, what we called as kids boulders or shooters. Kind of a West Virginia swirl type of a marble. We'll look at a couple of these bigger ones. I don't know what that is, but it's got some cool stuff going on inside. Nice enough for me to keep. That looks peltish, the way the flow of the glass is. Oh, this is a Vitro. That's definitely a Vitro, another shooter. But that one's a Vitro. Here's another shooter. Got a lot of fly farts on it. Color of that glass looks Akro-ish. So I'll go through and pick out what I like. I'll keep what I want. This looks Akro-ish too. It's got a lot of damage to it though. I don't think I'll keep that one. There's another smaller one though. That looks like them first couple. If you know who makes these, post it in the comments, would you? That's a Vitro. I don't remember the names on all of them. Just trying to pick out some of the cooler looking ones for you. Oh, what's that? I don't know what that is. Is that another Pelt of some sort? Could be a Vitro. Huh. I don't know. We'll keep it though. It's nice when you buy the whole batch of marbles. You can keep what you like. That's another one like them first ones. I think them are Pelts. I'm thinking them are Pelts. Oh, look at this one. There's a dandy. And it's an Akro. Is that oxblood? I don't know. I see at least 3 colors on it. Corkscrew's real nice. That's a nice marble. That's pretty cool. Looks like 3 colors. Maybe not. Sure does, though. It's trying to be 3 colors. So, there's another busy little West Virginia swirl. Another one of them two-tones. Must have been a bunch of them in some kid's marble bag when they got tossed in that can. That's a Pelt. Got a little pucker on it there. We don't need that one now. Oh, there's another one of them. That one looks Akro-ish. Has it got a corkscrew to it? I don't know. It's pretty marble though. If you know what any of these marbles are, please post it in the comments. So it'll probably take me, what is that one? Oh, Marble King. That's a Marble King, but it's got a big chunk on it there. If it didn't have that chunk, I'd keep it. I like them tiger colored ones. Here's another Marble King. There's a few Marble Kings in here. Another one of them two-tones. So I put all these together, sort them out, keep what I like. The other ones I'll put in jars. What's this? I got no clues. None of this stuff looks new in here. I'd say 70s is the newest I've seen. I'd say 70s. That's kind of a moss agate looking one. It's got that kind of foamy clear, translucent, and the yellow. That one's kind of neat. That looks peltish. That's that kind of muddy colored glass that they made. That one don't do it for me. Here's another one of them mossy agate kind of looking ones. So if you know what any of these marbles are, oh, there's another pelt. Look at that. I really like these. Love that dark colors with the white and the usually red or orange. Not sure what they call them, but I'm pretty sure it's a pelt. It's got a seam there and a seam there. So there's got a couple, 3 colors in it. See a brown, a green, and a white. Looks West Virginia-ish. So if you know exactly what any of these marbles are, let me know. That's too bad that's all busted up. That looks like an old slag there. It's beat to death though. So we'll keep what is this? I don't know, but it's nice and busy. So we'll keep what we like. Then I'll go through them later on and move some into my collection. And then we'll put the others in a jar. This is cool. This looks like 3 colors. Blue and black and like a turquoise. I don't know, but that's pretty. That'll probably end up in my collection. What is this? I got no ideas what that is. It's nice though. So I'll go through these, keep what I like, and put it into my collection. There's another West Virginia swirl. And then the other ones, there's another Akro corkscrew. I'll keep what I like, put the others in jars, and just put them up at the antique shop. Because people buy marbles, people like marbles. I got no ideas what this one is to either. I think it's just 2 colors, but it gets awful dark looking. Kind of interesting. So just hit a estate sale just because I could. It happened to be there. Got another one here I like. I looked aside. Another West Virginia swirl. And but I'll every time I look down I find another one. Pretty good batch of marbles. I got the whole tin can for $10. So that was worth it. And the other ones I'll just put up at the mall. I'll put them in pint jars and put $10 a pint on them, and I keep looking down. Sorry. And seeing more. Not enough. And like I always say, like, comment, and subscribe. And I buy cool stuff. God bless you. God bless America.